Okay. So yeah, there is a mistake. This was I forgot to write. This is sine square, not sine h to the power 6x. Okay. Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. So this is sine 4x minus 6x minus 4x by 2. That is sine x into 2 sine 6x plus 4x by 2 is sine 5x into cos 6x minus 4x upon 2 is x. Okay. So just I will rearrange the terms. Look carefully. 2 sine 5x cos 5x into 2 sine x cos x. There is a reason why I did this. Now see, 2 sine a cos a, that is sine 2a. This will be sine 10x. Okay, into 2 sine a cos a. Again same formula. So this will be sine 2x. Okay, and this is your answer. Sine 2x into sine 10x or sine 10x into 2x is multiplication, the same thing. Okay, so hence proved. Okay, hence proved. So this is this question. So let's go to the next question. Next question is, let's see. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x sin 8x. Yes, we will done the same way that we did the previous question. A square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So cos 2x minus cos 6x into cos 2x plus cos 6x. Okay, so this is which formula? Cos x plus cos y. Cos x minus cos y. This formula. Okay, so this is minus 2 sine next formula is cos x plus cos y. So this is this. So 2 cos x plus y by 2. So 2x plus 6x by 2. Okay, that multiplied by cos x minus y by 2. So cos 2x minus 6x by 2. Okay, now just simplify this further. So 2x plus 6x by 2 minus 2 sine 4x into 2x minus 6x sine 2x minus 6x by 2, that is sine minus 2x. Okay, into 2 into cos 2x plus 6x by 2 is 4x into cos 2x minus 6x upon 2 is minus 4x. Okay, now minus 2 sine 4x. Okay, look carefully. Sine minus theta. Sine minus theta is what? Minus sine theta. So what will happen to this minus? This will become plus. Okay, and this will become sine 2x. I will write here sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Okay, into 2 cos 4x into cos or minus theta is cos theta 4x. Okay, just little bit rearrangement required. Sorry, this is 2 minus 2x. 2x minus 4x upon 2 is minus 2x. So this will be 2x. And cos or minus theta is cos theta. So So 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a. This will become sin 8x into 2 sin a cos a, again sin 2x sin 4x, sin 8x into sin 4x. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay, next question. Okay, so we are okay. This is equal to okay. So let us do this question. Now, in this question, what can you do is see. You can write this like this: sin 2x plus sin 4x plus sin 4x plus sin 6x. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, now next thing that you can do here is just see carefully here: sin c plus sin d. Okay, so sin c plus sin d, just to put in the formula, 2 sin 2x again same formula. Okay, so this is what I have done is I have just put in the addition formula. Okay, now let us see what happens. Okay, now this one will become 2 sin 3x, okay, cos x, okay, plus 2 sin 5x into cos of, actually it is minus x, but I am directly writing plus x because you know that 2 minus 4x is minus 2x upon minus x, and cos of minus theta is, you know, cos of minus theta is cos theta. Okay, I have written the minus just for to say. Okay, now we can take here out common, that is cos 2 cos minus x. Okay, instead of minus x I will write cos x because cos of minus x is cos x. What is remaining in the bracket? Sin 3x plus sin 5x. Okay, now 2 cos x. See, sin x plus sin y. You can use this formula, sin x plus sin y. Okay, so this will be 2 sin so this will be 4 cos x into sin 4x, okay, into cos of 3x minus 5x upon 2 is minus x, okay, and cos of minus x is cos x. This will be cos 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay, so this is this question. So you can see LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Let us do the next question. Let us start with the left hand side. So instead of cot, I can write cos x, cos 4x upon sin 4x. Now this one, sin 5x plus sin 3x, sin x plus sin y, use this formula, into 2 sin 5x plus 3x upon 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay, just simplify this further. Cos 4x upon sin 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos x. Okay, so this is something like we get. So sin 4x will be cancelled. Okay, now, okay, only what is remaining? Cos x, so this is 2 cos x cos 4x. Okay, this is this. So I think we should leave it this at this point. We can't simplify this further. I will try and solve this right hand side now. I will try and make right hand side this. So RHS. So again cot x is cos x upon sin x into sin 5x. Okay, sin x minus sin y. This is this. Okay. Now cos x upon sin x into 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2, that is cos 4x, into sin 5x minus 3x by 2 is sin x. Cancel. So 2 cos x cos 4x. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay. So I think for today this is enough. We will continue in the next class.